Hey YouTube, hey everyone, my name is Feb_T. Today here I'm going to give you an alternative quick guide on how to fix your wireless adapter just from your devices itself, such as Windows 11 and below versions while offline. You can download this text file and browse the forum discussion from Microsoft support community here at the video description. All that being said, let's get into this alternative. Find the command prompt in the system menu by typing cmd as you can see as shown in the video and run it as an administrator. Type the following commands inside these text files one after another. Basically, you're just going to eliminate anomalies into your wireless adapter by resetting those absolute factors. Then while waiting, after you're done, hit the commands prompt exit and simply restart your device. Waiting until finish the fourth command. In usual cases, hardware such as Wi-Fi cards with wireless Bluetooth attached were required to run through a software's driver, though sometimes either I'm not sure what causes them to be corrupted at the first place or keep repeating in loop, which is pretty annoying. I'm just speculating that those circumstances have something to do with the previous Windows version updates or conflicts between physical and virtual hardwares. Again, if this alternative guide helps you, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And please tell me if you appreciated this kind of video in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.